Hello, and welcome. In today's video, we'll explore some tips and tricks to increase your security and privacy in Microsoft Edge. Let's dive right in. We'll first go through the security services available within Edge. First, navigate to Edge Settings by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. Then Settings. Click the menu in the top left corner, then go to Privacy, Search, and Services. I recommend you set Tracking Prevention to Strict. This option will block the majority of website trackers and enhance your privacy while searching websites. If you find that some sites are not working properly with this setting enabled, then you can always go back down to the balance mode. Next, scroll down to the security section. Over here, enable the setting, block potentially unwanted apps. This will block the download of low reputation or suspicious applications that may be a threat to your computer. Next up, you will want to disable all of the web services that Microsoft Edge will use to track and recommend you content. Scroll down to the Services section. Settings such as shopping suggestions, content creator suggestions, opportunities, and other related services should all be disabled if you want to increase your privacy. Microsoft will try to advertise and display content it thinks will be relevant to you. However, this is not an ideal situation if you want privacy as your number one focus when browsing the web. Just look at all these tracking options. Wow! Moving along, let's customize the address bar and search settings. Navigate back to Edge Settings, then Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down the page, and towards the bottom, click on Address Bar and Search. Here you can customize your search engine settings and change from the default of Bing to other search engines like Google or DuckDuckGo. You can also click on Search Suggestions and Filters and disable preloading of search results and recommended predictive searching if you wish to stay more private. Moving along, it's always a good idea to use secure DNS to keep your browsing and web searches private. Scroll up the page a bit and locate the section called Use Secure DNS to specify how to look up the network address for websites. Turn this option on and choose a service provider. You can use one of the recommended DNS providers like Cloudflare or Google. However, I personally use and recommend Quad9. This DNS provider is a public and privacy-focused provider who are committed to keeping your searches and browsing activity private. If you would like to use Quad9, then enter the following URL shown on the screen. You can find out more information on their website by visiting quad9.net. Next, you should ensure that Microsoft Edge is always up to date to benefit from the latest security patches and improvements. Head over to About Microsoft Edge on the left-hand side. Here you can confirm that Edge is up to date. If a message appears that says, "To finish updating, restart Microsoft Edge," then click the Restart button to relaunch the browser and install the latest update. When you want to browse privately and not leave a trace, you can use the Microsoft Edge in private mode. This mode will not track data and does not store your browsing session to the browser history. Simply click the three dots at the top right of Edge and select New and Private window. A new browser window will appear, and your browsing history, cookies, or site data will not be saved while using this window. Use in private browsing for private sessions, or if you are accessing confidential data or information. And there you have it. Some essential tips to keep your Edge browsing experience safe and secure. Remember to stay vigilant and prioritize your online security. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay secure.